That is called thana, which is praise, and that is different than sana with the sin, which is as prescribed by the Prophet ﷺ in multiple ahadith. It is known as the beginning supplication in the prayer, or dua Al-Istiftah. You begin your prayer by praising Allah the Almighty, by saluting Allah the Almighty, by glorifying the Almighty Allah, by reciting any of the prescribed supplications in this regard, such as Subhanak Allahumma bihamdik, wa ta'ala jadduk, wa la ilaha ghayruk. You may also say that Allahumma ba'id bayni wa bayna dhunubi kama ba'adta bayna al-mashriqi wal-maghrib, the rest of the supplication. You can also recite قل إن صلاتي ونسكي ومحياي ومماتي لله رب العالمين, and so on. All these supplications, whether you recite them all or you recite one of them at a time, or if you don't recite them at all, it's simply recommended, it's a sunnah, and it doesn't affect the validity of the prayer. So what does it do? You begin your prayer by this thana, praising Allah the Almighty. You receive a reward for that, for practicing the sunnah. It is recommended, not mandatory. Okay? Barakallahu fikum. So if somebody even forgot it, doesn't have to pray the 2 prostrations for forgetfulness. And if you leave it deliberately, you're not required to do the sujood al-sahw.